Hi guys, my name is Abraham Wamalwa. Let me teach you how to construct an ellipse using a rectangular method or oblong method. Rectangular method is also called an oblong method. So first of all, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abraham Wamalwa. So let's begin. Example, when you have been given the major axis, because the major axis will be given, let's assume it is 120 millimeters. The minor axis will be given. Let's assume it is 60 millimeters. Now, you draw using a ruler the line, the major axis of 120 millimeters using a ruler, and it should be on the scale. This is a line of 120, is a major axis, draw using a ruler. Then also using a ruler, you draw a line of 60 millimeters, which is minor axis. Don't forget using a ruler. So now you draw also to this side using a ruler. Then you join all this. Then you join these lines on a scale. Join these lines on a scale like this. This is now a triangle. Now you'll be supposed, or maybe you are supposed to number this side, also to number this side, and also to number this side. So first of all, let's bisect this, our major axis at the center. The center of this, our major axis. Let's bisect the line touching these two parallel lines. So let's name these sides. This side, it is point A, point B, point C, and this is point D. We do like this. Now, this line, also name this points. Let's say that it is point D, point P, and this is point Q. Yes. Now we do this. We now locate the points to this along the minor axis. We locate the points along this minor axis because this is 0, this is 0. Now we locate the point from 0 downward, and also we locate the point from 0 then upward. For example, we have this point, this point, and the point. So we have this point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. Also we have point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4 along this minor axis. Also we come to this side, we do the same, point 1, point 2, point 3, and point 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do this. Sorry. We point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The same thing we did to this side. Then we do like this. Also, we locate points through this, along this line, the major axis, line 0. This is called the major axis. So, because this is 1, we mark here 1, 2, 3, then 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4. So because this is 0, this must be 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this is 0, this must be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now, after that, you do like this. You take this point, now you stand here at the point 1 to join point Q. At the point 2 to join point Q, because Q is a common point. Now, we do like this. We stand here, we draw a line joining point Q. All these lines must join point Q like this, like this. I think you see, like this. We just come to this other side, also do the same. We stand here at 1 to join point Q. We stand at 2 to join point Q. We stand at 3 and the same to 4. Let's stand here at point 1 to join point Q, point 2 to join point Q, point 3 to join point Q, point 4 to join point Q. We draw like that. Then we go to the other side. Now also we do the same, we apply the same, and we do the same as we have done here. We stand at point 1 to join point P, point 2 to join point P, point 3 and point 4 also to join point P. We do the same to this side and also to this side. So let's start doing from this side. This is 1. We join point Q. This line must be straight. I'm doing it roughly, and I will show you the original one, which I have drawn on the scale. So at point 2 to join point P. At point 3 to join point P. At point 4 to join point P. The same thing you must do here, and stand here at 1 to join point P. Stand here at 2 to join point P. Stand here at 3 to join point P. Stand here at 4 to join point P. You do the same to all these sides, and the figure looks like this. It's nice. Yes, let's continue. Now, we now stand here. We now stand here at point P, at point Q, sorry, at point Q. This point Q, and this is point P. So this point P and point Q, these are the common points to join this side and this side, and also this side. These 2 points must be the common point to join both this side and this side. So for example, when you stand here at point P, at point Q like this, you draw a line passing through point 1 on this major axis to join line 1. You stand here at P, passing a line through point 2 to meet line 2, like this. You do like that. Now you do like that on this side, and also you do the same on this side. The way I'm doing, watch. We stand here at Q. We draw a line passing through point 1 to meet line 1, like that. And this line must be straight. You must draw this line using a ruler. Please. You must know that. And also we stand here at point Q. We draw a line passing through point P to meet line 2, like that. We stand here at point Q, first drawing a line through point 3 to join line 3. Standing here, we draw a line through point 4 to join line 4. Line 4 is here. Now we apply the same to this side. The same thing should be applied to this side. We stand here to Q. Draw a line through line 1, through point 1 to meet line 1. Standing at Q, draw a line through point 2 to meet line 2. Draw a line through point 3 to meet line 3. And standing at Q, to draw a line through point 4, meeting line 4, like this. I think the figure is good. Now we stand also here. We stand here. We apply the same thing we have applied here at point Q. We stand here. Now we draw a line passing point 1 to meet point 1. Point 1 to meet line 1. Draw a line passing through point 1 to meet line 1 at this point. Standing here, draw a line through point 2, meeting line 2 at this point. Stand here at P, draw a line through point 3, meeting line 3 at this point. Standing here, draw a line through point 4, passing through point 4 to meet line 4, like this. Standing at P also, we do this side. Standing at P, we draw a line through point 1. Should be straight to meet line 1. Standing at P, to draw a line through point 2 to meet line 2. Standing here, to draw a line through point 3, like this, to meet line 3 at this point. Standing at P, like this, draw a line through point 4 to meet line 4. Now, after drawing this, now you see these points cut here. We have this point. The line has made this line is made with this line. Has made this line. Now we bold these points. These are common points. These are points. We should bold so that it is visible when joining. It should be visible like that. Now after this, you join these points using a smooth curve. You join these points using a smooth curve, and the curve should be visible. Now you use a HB pencil so that these lines should be visible. Now you begin from here, maybe wherever you begin, maybe wherever you stand here or here, begin from here, wherever, but let's begin from here. Draw a line from Q, through this point, through this point, through this point, through this point, touching this point, through this point, through this point, through this point, through this point, then to meet at P, then passing through P, we meet this point, this point, this point, this point to this point. Then from this point, this point, this point we meet there. This point also, this point, meet this point. Now remember, this line must be visible. Remember that. So this is now an ellipse using a rectangular method or oblong method. Now let me show you the real thing I did on the scale. It is nice. Look here. It is here. Like this. See the way I did? I drew this. Triangle. I drew this triangle the way I told you. And now I named it as A, B, C, D. This is the one I drew. Then after that, now after locating this point, this is the major axis and this is the minor axis. AC is the minor axis. Now this is, I used it as 80. This is, I used the measurement, the 80 millimeters, but here I've used 60. But it is the same thing we do. Then, as I told you, now we locate these common points, C and D. Here I've located P and Q. It is same thing. Then we do this. We now locate these points along this minor axis. And also we locate the points along this major axis. Then after that, now we stand here. We stand here on the minor axis. Yes. From this point 1, we draw a line to meet at D. From this point 2, we draw a line to meet at D. From this, we do the same thing to up to 4. Then it meets at D. Then we come also to this side. We stand here at 1 to meet at a common point D. We stand here at 2 to meet at a point D. We stand here at